Well, guys, I wasn't moving in this one. This is the one I should have been moving. That's Murphy for you. We got the saw stuck. It started getting into a little bit of a bite there, and the old flat belt decided it didn't want to come to work. It went home sick. So we're just trying to figure out how to get it out, and it's pretty stuck. It's pretty stuck. We don't want to. Now, if I was home and it was my wood, I didn't care, but we don't really want to lose this board. I would just cut it on that side of the blade and pop it off, but then you're going to lose this board and you're going to lose the next board inside because it's going to have saw marks on it. But this one here, you're just going to lose completely for the length that you want. So they're going to try to just bump it. So I'm going to get back out of the bump zone. They got the belt back on, got it nice and tight. They're going to bump the clutch on the tractor. I think I'm going to move over here. I can't get the belt and everything all at once. You can hear that tractor bowling down. She's pretty.
Can we make it wider back there? Maybe have this up more here. I don't want to look. I hate to cut up in here and half. How wide's the bucket on that skid loader?
Got a big chunk in there.
Go ahead and pull it.
Don't think I ever got one quite that stuck. Well, you want to cut it out? I hate to lose the log. Okay.
Skid motor. And take something along and make it push it back.
You want to push it back or push the carriage back?
Or push the carriage back. Either way. I don't want to lose the long.
You're making a great show. You know, this is the second time I caught one in there. It's not his fault. There's a lot of free play in this handle here, and then when the belt started slipping, it's just what happens from time to time. Big boards up there push against the carriage, maybe up and out a little bit.
It only has to move.
Yeah. I think the next plan, we're going to try just pushing on the carriage a bit. That's why they went to V-belts and direct drive. It can't pop off. V-belt can slip, direct drive probably won't.
If you take that out, take your other piece out.
Here. Hey, get up there against the floor.
Maybe you can roll it from that. You ain't got a whole good bite on it.
guys if they're going out looking for a skid. Oh, there's a skid steer right over there. Because you know, if I turn it off, I can't bring it in, I can't edit it. It's just kind of the way it is. Okay, plan B, which looks like a good plan. They're gonna bring one of these beams in. They bring the Bobcat in here, push it on this end. They got on both sides of that, and maybe we'll get something moving. Oh, nobody knows the code to the Bobcat. Oh, no, they do. Hey, Metro Bobcat lent the club some really nice Bobcats. Thank you, Metro Bobcat. One for you guys. That log might be here next year. Look at that nice Bobcat. Came from Metro Bobcat. I think they got 2 of them out here at the show. If you ever want to talk to some nice people, that's who I deal with my Bobcat. There's some great guys down there. Here we go. You got the whole shooting match here. There goes the carriage. I think the carriage is rolling instead of the... Well, plan B didn't work. Trying to save the log. If it wasn't for trying to save the log, we just cut it out of there. And that might end up being what we got to do. That got it out of the cut. We'll go down there and take a peek. It might go now. It might go, it might just go now. I don't know if you guys can see the cuts all the way down there. They're out of the cut, so we might have something now. I don't know if it was worth the watch, but it was certainly different. You don't see too many of these on YouTube. Let's see if that blade will spin. Hey Mike, you got something wedging on the blade down there before he turns it on. There you go, you got it. We got some. There you go. Oh, we're ready now. All right, let me put you back and hopefully we'll get through this thing. All right, that wasn't too bad. Save both boards. I think they might go looking for some belt dressing. I'm not sure. Did you guys get a button? You watch this on YouTube, take a button there. They're free. As that thing vibrates, that tractor starts coming in closer and closer. And as soon as you got a loose belt, you're done for. And then the mud settles back there. It's just a show, so you just do the best you can. From the looks of it, he's got power steering, 2 big arms. That's a good running tractor. Good running tractor. You guys did good at getting that out.
That worked a whole lot better than I thought. That's when I did like that. It was the same thing.
It depends on how much wood work
I can't really get.
You made a good show though.
I can't really get to mine.
Oh.
Like I got an edge.
Oh, okay. I don't have any of that fancy stuff.
I guess you could hook a chain to the back of it, but mine's wood, so I don't know.
Yeah, mine, the big one, number one's all steel. The carriage must weigh 4,000 pounds. And it's, the little one, the double lock's only got a 10-foot wood carriage, and it's like a rabbit, it's very fast. Faster than I should be doing with it. I think we got control of this log now. That might go over to the blacksmith. Trying to figure out what they get out of it. I'm gonna wrap this one up because I'm gonna wrap this one up. I hope you stuck by and saw him getting the stuck blade out, made it to here. Leave a comment down below. What do you think about all this nonsense? Hit the like button, the subscribe button, and I'll try to get one more out of this show. This log over here is a black walnut, and then those two are cedar, and they're not very big, so I'm trying to save a little bit battery for them. So we'll see you in a little while. Bye-bye.